In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and share a PowerForm in DocuSign, an essential tool for streamlining your document signing processes. To get started, let's make sure you're logged into your DocuSign account, open up your Chrome browser, and enter your login credentials. Once you're in, we'll dive into the templates section of your account. Templates are at the heart of automating your document processes. They allow you to predefine fields and design documents for repeated use. This is especially useful if you're frequently sending out the same contracts or agreements. From your dashboard, navigate over to the Templates tab. Now, you have two options. You can either select an existing template that you've used before or create a brand new one that suits your needs for this particular task. Take your time to set up or review the template to ensure it has all the necessary information. Now on to creating the PowerForm. A PowerForm in DocuSign is a versatile tool that allows you to create self-service documents perfect for situations where you want your recipients to fill out documents at their convenience without you needing to send each one individually. Once you've selected the template or finished creating a new one, look for the option to create a PowerForm. Click on Create PowerForm to start the configuration process. This is where you'll be able to adjust settings to tailor the PowerForm according to your requirements. Consider things like setting expiration dates or adding specific instructions for the signers. These small details can make a big difference in how smoothly the process goes. When you're happy with your PowerForm settings, it's time to share it with your intended audience. DocuSign generates a unique URL for each PowerForm, which is a very handy feature as it allows you to share the link directly with stakeholders or embed it on a website. This URL is your gateway to having your document signed whenever and wherever. So whether you're emailing it out to a group or providing the link on a platform, make sure it reaches the right people for whom the document is meant. After sharing, keep an eye on the submissions. DocuSign provides tools to track who has signed the document and when. This tracking feature ensures you stay on top of the process and can address any issues promptly. Using the management tools in your DocuSign account, you can view submission statuses, manage signed documents, and access any relevant data or analytics to measure engagement or response rates. And that's how you create and share a PowerForm in DocuSign. With this functionality, you can significantly optimize document workflows, allowing for more flexibility and efficiency in your business operations. By the end of this tutorial, I hope you feel more confident about leveraging PowerForms to streamline your document signing processes seamlessly. Thanks for watching, and make sure to try it out yourself to see the convenience it brings.